Hello guys, this is Tayyab from TTech. In this lecture we are going to talk about while loops in JavaScript. Okay, as you saw already in the previous video, loops can execute as far as condition is true. Okay, now let's look an example. Let's say we have a variable I and let's say it's equal 0, and now let's say while I less than or equal to 5, console.log I, and now here is increment. Save it and refresh it. Guys, here you can say we got 0 1 2 3 4 5. Guys, now you can see here while I is less than or equal to 5, it is a condition and it is true. If it will be false, then automatically will be close this program. You can see here 5 and after that 6, that is not true, so it will be close. You can say in simple words. Okay, but what if you forget this increment? This will be crash your browser and this loop will be never end because condition is always true. So don't forget to add this one. Okay, now give me you another example. Let's say we have 5 here and let's say greater than or equal, just say 0. Okay, and here instead of increment we need to use decrement. Save it and run it. Here you can say we got 4 5 3 2 0 1. Guys, while loops work in JavaScript like this. Okay, that was about while loops. In the next lecture we will talk about do while loops. Hope you will enjoy it and like it, and please don't forget to give me your suggestion in the comment section. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, meet in the next lecture.